Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to assemble Honda CRV key fob. Start by gathering the shell, circuit board, battery CR2032, and a small Phillips screwdriver. Open the old fob carefully, noting button placement and screw locations. Clean contacts and inspect the circuit board for damage. Replace worn rubber pads or buttons before assembly. Align the board in the shell, press buttons into place, insert the battery with correct polarity, and close securely. Begin disassembly by removing any visible screws and using a flat pry tool to open the seam gently. Work slowly and keep parts organized in order of removal. Note how the rubber keypad sits in the cover and where each spring or contact is located. Avoid touching circuit traces with oily fingers to prevent corrosion. Once the board and battery are free, inspect all components for wear and take photos if you need to remember orientation. Reassembly is the reverse of disassembly, starting with placing the rubber keypad into its recess. Fit the circuit board over the rubber pads, making sure each button aligns with its contact. Insert the CR2032 battery with the correct polarity and secure it in the retainer. Close the two halves evenly, pressing gently to avoid pinching the rubber. Replace screws snugly without over-tightening, test buttons, and confirm remote functions before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.